There are three simple materials that we use for our mini biogas generator. Number 1, plastic container. 2, cylindrical pipe. And 3, any type of waste.
A mini biogas generator is a system where organic waste such as food scraps or farm waste gets broken down by bacteria in the absence of oxygen.
Our product has the height of 15 centimeters and the width of 7.7 centimeters. It can also contain 600 milliliters of organic waste.
A biogas generator works through anaerobic digestion, a process where microorganisms break down organic matters in the absence of oxygen.